Alright, we're back with more footage. This is what it looks like now. Shoveled out a little bit. Take a look around. Snowfall everywhere. This is the path, alright. That nice and shoveled through. About 2-3 feet of snow right here on this side. This side about the same. As we look ahead, down by the cars and everything like that. Car's freaking buried. My car's still buried, but shoveled out. So we gotta shovel all that later on. So we'll walk way up to the front of the house. This is where it gets interesting. So we're shoveling over here on the side. You can see down by the wheels. Freaking snow pile of like 5 feet on the right hand side. So that's everything. All right, that's it.